Hi. Today, day 33, we are going to see what happened to the questions. Disclaimer 1 and disclaimer 2 and common mistake. And we have summary here also. And this will be detailed explained in November month and summary. And we will see this today update in short. These are the setups which we have and the capital, then how much pledged amount we have, then what are the risk reward we are maintaining, all those things. And the 30% capital loss means we are consider this as series is failed. And here you can see risk reward and maximum losses is different. It's not in the range because we have different positions at a different calendar period, so that's the reason. And but overall it's okay. And here we have total realized profit books and yield 47,965.5. It's lesser than yesterday because we booked some few loss today, and minus 14,965.78 is unrealized, and it is reduced now because we closed some few other positions. And we will go to that today's update. Yesterday we have here you can see 30,000 will be there, then it is reduced to 28,491, and unrealized will be minus 17,750, and it is reduced to 14,965. It's because we booked with this closed this position, it's around minus 7,712. And this is starting from November itself, say not November, December first week itself we booked this much we got. But we have some losses in the January portion, so we can't say this is a fully thing profit or something. But we booked around 30k in first December, and to second December second week we didn't do much things, and we were waiting. There was no good opportunity to make some money, and just I made few portion, and I got that also. I closed that also. And now I have lesser portion. It's like a two in next week, and month and two more portion, and January four more. It means two more portion. It's like opposite counter. So these are the things, and I haven't buy any new portions today. And these are the things, and gold again it started going up 156.72. It will be there overall, and I haven't buy for a really long time. It's still 16.5k only. I bought it. I need to add up more. And these are the things which we have current setup. If it is consolidating or something for next 2 weeks or moving upwards, then we will get this money. Otherwise we will go into trouble in these positions. But at the same we can close this position, like which is already in a loss of minus 11k. Earlier it is went up to minus 17 or something and all. But if it goes down, then we can use that opportunity to close that uh, last position. So it's overall we will be good only. And these are the gamma 12th I closed it. And that's about today. And today it closed like at the lower end, so we need to wait and see tomorrow what will happen. Either it can go down further very stronger because tomorrow is Friday, so the um, today tomorrow positions new positions will get added, they will add it. So there may be possible either it will go up or down violently. So tomorrow mostly we should be very careful, and we should not do much adjustment. That's what I am planning. And that's all for today.